When it comes to polishing your items such as jewelry, metals, or even ceramics, there are a lot of options available out there, and that can be quite overwhelming. Hi, I'm Melissa Muir. In this series of videos, I am working together with Foredom to introduce you to various accessories and options that you might have. Now, these items are made by Oral Brush, and they have teamed together with Foredom to bring you some of the best that are available in the industry. Join me as we delve a little bit deeper into various accessories that can be used both on your flex shaft, micromotors, as well as large and small polishing arbors. We will talk a little bit about their options as well as their preferred uses. As you can see in this very small sampling of mini brushes, there are a lot of options, everything from cleaning to texturing to final polishing. Oral Brush prides themselves on using the finest natural materials. In addition to using the best materials, close attention is given to building each tool just right. For instance, did you know that if the head is assembled too tight, the bristles will tilt upward, and if they're too loose, the bristles will be limp and prone to flying away, shortening the life of your tool. When looking at your brush, you will also notice the uniformity in thickness and in shape. With so many options, how do you choose? Well, that's exactly what this series is all about. So join me as we delve a little bit deeper into what some of these different accessories can do. The most common shape is going to be your circle and round. Stiffer brushes are going to be good for cleaning, whereas finer brushes are going to be really good for fine polishing. Brass brushes are going to be really good for yellow metals such as gold, brass, and copper. Steel is going to be great for some of your softer metals like white, gold, silver, and platinum. Stainless steel is going to be harder than both your brass and your steel. This is going to be really good for cleaning, rough polishing, deburring, rust, and oxide removal. Stainless steel can also be used to create special finishes. Metal brushes come standard with crimped bristles. This is going to be really good and give you a softer matte finish. Straight brushes can also be ordered, and they can be customized, and these are going to be stronger and good for cleaning, deburring, and surface finishing. You'll notice that we also have a couple of different shaped brushes that you may or may not have seen before. We have a hexagonal star and an anise star. Now these are going to be really good for heat dissipation. That unique shape allows for more air circulation, bringing less heat to your piece. The hexagonal star are going to be really good for large angles, whereas the anise star is good for small angles and tight areas. The thing that's nice about these is they will not change the shape of your metal. In addition to our round and fancy shaped brushes, we also have an end brush, which is also known as a pen brush. These are going to be really good for tight areas. For instance, I like to use these inside of settings or in tight spots. In addition to different shapes, you'll also notice that there are different colors within these shapes, and that is because of the natural fibers used. Moving from the stiffest to the softest in order, we start with boar hair in black and white, then move on to black, white, and gray horsehair. Next is a mix of horse and goat hair, which is going to be a little softer, but yet still have enough body to it to really get in and do some good work. Finally, we move to gray, and the last is our softest with the white goat hair. Other accessories used for polishing and texturing include our fiber buffs, as well as cotton buffs in various configurations, and even an assortment of cowhide and suede leather wheels. Now, everything I've shown you in this video has been mounted, and that just means that it already has a shank attached to it and ready to be inserted into your desired handpiece. Now, Foredom also offers quite a range of tools that are both mounted and unmounted, and that is what we are going to be talking about. So join me next time as we delve a little bit deeper into some of the other accessories as we find out what their options are as well as their preferred uses. As always, you can find all of these items anywhere Foredom products are sold, as well as at Foredom.net.